So let's do a wreath recipe with this cute witch from my friend Debbie with Old Lang Farms. We're going to use this 24-inch pine base from Hobby Lobby, and we're going to use a solid black and then a black with gold because she has gold accents. All right, we got the outer ring done. I'm gonna go ahead and squish this to my body and make it oval shape on each side. Then we're gonna add our attachment in here. I like to place it higher. Turn these off. I'm not going to use these, so I'm just trim these off. Now that we got her in here, let's fluff up this mesh. See where we need some extra and put our last few pieces. Gonna give her her hands. Make sure her thumbs are correct. We got some glue back here just to secure her a little bit better. Put up some of these leaves and add those all in there, different textures first. Next, we're going to go in with some fall filler. I love using fall textures in my Halloween designs. I really feel like she needs to be holding something, so we're going to go ahead and prep this foam pumpkin by making an anchor with some floral pins, and we're going to stab it into the foam, and we're going to put this through here, the pipe cleaner. I like to use the extra long pipe cleaners. We're just going to all the way in the middle, and we're going to push it down. I'm going to dab some glue. I'm going to twist it, and then I'll dab some glue on it. Let this dry while we put in some ribbons. I'm going to keep it this color scheme. Got our ribbons in there. Let's go ahead and attach our pumpkin. add some glue on top of it once you get it secured to the frame. We're gonna hold it into this mesh really good. Go ahead and glue her hands to the pumpkin where I want them. Kind of where they naturally lay. We're gonna go in with some of these baby roses from Jennifer with Jam Designs, and these are black roses from Jennifer with Jam Designs. Taking the green leaves off. Just reconstruct these just to pull these off, like one slides off. And then we're gonna take the greens off. And then we'll have just these. And put this one back on because they were on the same stem. We're gonna go in with some accents, and I usually don't use butterflies for Halloween, but these are an exception and I love these. We have some foam pumpkins we're gonna add in there. Do have this glittery one, and I think I'm gonna stack it right here. Last but not least, we're gonna put some of these spiders on. They're rings I found at the Dollar Tree last year. I got them in green and in orange. I feel like I need some butterflies at the bottom too, so I'm gonna add some more at the bottom. Look at this flower combo with this. I kind of feel like I just want to keep this orange. Even though she's got green fingernails, I'm just gonna keep this orange. I'm gonna give her a ring, I think. And we're gonna glue this on. And then we're gonna cut some of these off. You could just take them and cut them off and glue them on for accents. Glue one on her hat. Glue one to the leaf down here. I like to add a little something something in the bow ties when I make them. All right, I hope you love her as much as I do. And this is what we got for this wreath recipe. See you next time.